In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix CIBC app won't let you log in. Let's get started. First, what you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data, as weak or unstable connection can stop the login process from working properly. Next, check for app updates. So launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app CIBC. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, all you have to do is click on that option and update the app to its latest version. Now launch it and try to log in. This might resolve the issue. Next up, while you are logging in, double check your login details. Make sure you are entering the correct client number and username, likewise the password. If you forgot your password, use the forgot password option to reset it securely. If you're unable to log in the app, you can use the website instead. So launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in CIBC login. Then head over to its official website. Once you're on the login page, provide your credentials, and with that, you'll be logged in. If nothing works, contact CIBC customer support for help. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.